Seven, six, five, four, three, two, one.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother. sing it real loud and let me know we back home. Sell, give me a beat. Are we on the West Coast? Now that I got your head back, it makes me feel good to see we back on the West Coast. If the West Coast is in the house, everybody sing that shit. What? For the West Coast flag. Let's go, come on, everybody, yeah. Let's go, come on, everybody in the house. Let's go, come on. Bakersfield, sing my name. What? My name is. Come on. In the name of God. Click, click, booyah. Don't get the frame here. Homie, let the games begin. As I stand it, soft and tall, can on the canvas, off the lid of the scale and take a penitentiary chances. Sink with it, off the brick with it. Blue beanie in it, freshly acquitted. Grimy, the big body and the big body. With lyrics and drums, hotter than my hobby. Selling, cover belly, career better. Used to be the three brave, didn't wear it. Fuck it, I thought for bringing thug to eat. Homies call me hog head, cause I love the cheese. Gangsta, hustler, pimps if you follow me. Let me see you put your hands up like a rotary. I solemnly swear to stand down the flame to see. I spin the name of the street. I'm going to roll. I'm gonna stay fly. I'm gonna stay fly. I'm gonna bust. I'm going to bust. Hood up. Now you hood up. Now you hood up. I'm going to roll. I'm going to reach ride. I'm going to ball. Now you hood up. Now you hood up. Gotta talk about this man, circus soldier. All-star big pieces, khakis, and linen, the OG. Now I'm talking with the blue feathering, the shaggy. Homie was cracking, who got the sacking? Homie, what they going for? Everybody on the floor. Make way for the longest cut throat, but if they're longest Moses, walk on your casket, drop the penitentiary poses. A straight man, connect gang, still a set. Since the work I did every day on the blow. Putting things on you like big when I get ya. Lost this life, getting ready for real got killer. Not just clowning, we got still up. Sing my shit. I want to slow it down for all the West Side riders out there. I want to slow it down, and I just want to say, West Sea of the Lear, yeah, throwing up the W. Everywhere we go, they throwing up the W. I keep everybody throwing up the W. For all the low riders out there, it goes front, back, side, we be giving it up till the day we die. Fools hit me up, I'ma have to run. So everybody put your dogs up. Come on, front, back, side, we be giving it up till the day we die. Fools hit me up, I'ma have to run. So everybody wake up. Holy glitter lane, here I come once again with this gangsta click coming, gangsta shit. 50 for the riders, two riders, I got a west side of ride before the fools that's sick, none of them white. Put the bass in the switch, the dub C-Cell, MP still like a minute BIA. Play good for life, ain't no looking back, ink in my flesh. West side, telling on my chest. I'm walking with the shadow of death, through the land of the skin, in South Central Los Angeles. Home of the Crips and the blood, what even the drummers moves the drug through the mud. And this is just from out of town, just to take a Hollywood. We don't take this kind of tours, drinking through the hood. West Coast to the casket club, I be giving it up, so everybody throw it up. Come on, front, back, side, we be giving it up till the day we die. Who's in me up? I'ma have to run. Come on, so everybody. Are we really on the West Coast? Are we really on the West Coast? Everybody in the house, sing that shit. 1, 2, doggy, doggy, doggy. Correct. What? Where the West Coast at?
Went to the park to get the school.
In the West in the house, let me sing that shit.
Who can it be?
What?
Alchemy, roller killer.
Yeah, I see you. What do you say? Why? Cause of
All through your body.
oh, I know we at home.
12 game shot.
Come on, sing it. Come on, come with. What?
God said he should send his one begotten son
Where the West Coast?
into the waves.
Where the West at?
Follow me.
What?
Keep your flesh, flesh.
Where we at, homie? Come with. What? with what we doing today. I know it's all love, and y'all know I recognize it's all love. But just to let y'all know that, you know what I'm saying, I ain't tripping. I just want to let y'all know one thing. Consider this an invitation to my gangster nation. Let's go, y'all. Come on. Let's go, y'all. Hold up. Let's go, y'all. Come on. Somebody say west side. Say west side. Say west side. What I want y'all to do, everybody. Put your motherfucking doves in the sky. Put your motherfucking doves in the sky. In the time, can't keep them on fire. Put your motherfucking doves in the sky. We from that west side. West side. West side. From the west side. West side. I'm from the west side. You know what I want to say? What the fuck is dumb me talking about? That's how you get these nuts. Park in your mouth. West side ride tricks. The same old shit. I don't conversate with pussy. I ain't gon' hit. I know how to rent these hoes. And sing like a shot. Take body like Beyonce. Face like Andre. You kinda scratchy. But girl, see I'm rich. So you got your bebop. Have you seen us? Nah. Haters can't see us. Connect gangs to the tears, y'all. Count the cars and count the charge. The street kids making blunts out of Cuban cigars. Big Badalinas, XO Badalinas. With a block of holes on us cause the chronic is the greatest. To my G's, the incarcerated and on probation. I'ma stay making for the gold. Start up, y'all. Come on. Start up, y'all. Where you at? Come on. Start up, y'all. Just a real one. Start up, y'all. Where we from? We from that west side. West side. West side. West side. West side. You know what? Think about
Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for the man responsible for bringing you these hits. All the way from Magic City, Arizona. All the way from Magic City, Arizona, the 602 MC Magic.
They told me I'm in Bakersfield today. 661, ¿cómo están? Okay, before we start, I want to make a little disclaimer. Today, when I left my house, I left at 4 in the morning, 5 in the morning, algo así, and I forgot something really important that makes my talk box go, "Ooh, can I run away?" Right? That's called a talk box driver. I completely forgot. So my nephew Nick Dollars is here. Him and his friend said, somebody that we know has a talk box. It doesn't sound like mine because mine is homemade. But we're gonna try our best to do it, okay? Can I run away with you? I wanna get lost in love, baby, to one of my pretty girls. Does it sound all right? I love you, Bakersfield. I love you, Nick Dollars. My pretty girls, 661. Are y'all ready? 661. Let's do it. Come on now. Something about you, baby, drives me crazy. Something about my pretty girl blows my mind. Something about you, baby, drives me crazy. Something about my pretty girls. Woo! Si tú supieras lo que siento cada vez que me pongo a pensar en todos los momentos. The good times we had, me and you and I. Hot summer nights making love in July. This is for my Mexican ladies. What's up, my Mexican mamacitas in the house tonight? Let me hear ya. Have I ever told you, lady, that you mean the world to me? And you know I'm gonna love you forever, forever, you and me. Now let me hear you say crazy. Say Magic City. Say 661. MC Magic loves you. Check it. I never ever met a shorty that was quite like you. Even though it was wrong, I fell in love with you. Now we sit here, not really knowing what to do. But I'm sure, you know, I'd give the world for you. If I could run away with you, I wouldn't even think twice. I promise, girl, I put it all on the line. I know forever seems to be a long time, but that's what I see when I look into your eyes. And it don't matter what your friends might say, I know deep inside you feel the same way. Tell me what you want, but I can read your mind. So quit lying to yourself and put your hand in mine. I get excited every time you come close, and being right here with you is what I love the most. So anytime you feeling sexy inside, let's go to Magic City, make love all night.
We can run away and spend some time.
I'll always be the one right by your side.
And tell the whole world
You belong to me.
you are my